Hi, hello, and welcome to this very special episode of Cray Johnson. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair a broken monitor. Now, for whatever reason, your monitor might have fallen, maybe, when you were trying to adjust it unfairly, maybe onto your wrist, much like, say a gate could close on your wrist when you're breaking into a home or palace or whatever. Now, today we're going to need some very specific tools. I have them here with me, and they're really just overall household, common, anything you could really find in your home. Some household appliances. And really standard stuff, so you will easily be able to follow along with this tutorial. Don't worry, you're not going to have to go out and buy anything specific, just things you find around your house. Simple as that. The first step to repairing a monitor is assuring your safety. Now with computers, we got your electricity, your malware, IP hacker stuff. It could hurt you, like the electricity and the current. It's very dangerous stuff. So to assure your safety, we're gonna have to make sure that we're gonna cut the power. Now you see, we have this little power cable here. Make sure that it's unplugged. If you take off this case, or mess around with the insides, it could really end up hurting you if it's plugged in. Make sure it's even more, safety. You're gonna wanna cut the current there. Okay, sometimes it can be difficult to cut the wire, so you're really going to want to get in there. Twisting helps. Just want to get in there. Make sure that you can really sever it. Don't worry, this is easier than it looks. You know what? I think that's safe enough. I think that's good. You're gonna want to make sure that it is severed enough that when you plug it in, it's not completely gone. I'm just blacking that up. Oh, gee, man, that's really actually dangerous. Probably should. It's actually not bad. Is that bad to breathe? Good. But it's still connected. So when you want to plug it in, it'll still be good. I think this is a waterproof wire. A lot of people hear things about exposed wires. Horror stories. I think it's a bunch of baloney, if you ask me. I think that's bullshit. So now that you got it severed, it is safe to repair the monitor now. The next step is taping. You're gonna want to tape some spots of the monitor for your own reference. This is just recommended. So yeah, you're just going to tape it for your own reference. If you do not have tape, understandable. Who has tape nowadays? We all have this technology, these iPhones, who needs tape? iPhones replace tape. But really, you can do it without the tape, it's just recommended. If you have experience with taping things, that's good, like people. It's always good to have experience. shitty monitor. This is going to be also upgrading the monitor too. It's a pretty poor monitor, as you can see here. Doesn't stand up very well. The next step is removing the screen to get into the back parts. Right, how do you remove? Does anyone know how to remove this? I don't know how to remove it. If anyone knows how to remove this, please contact me. It's tricky. Oh, I got it out. Oh, so this is where the tape comes in handy. You want to take your cutting device, whether it be your iPhone, your iPad, whatever app they have for cutting things nowadays. You want to make a good line there. Good incision. Very nice. Oh, there we go. So now you're going to remove the tape. You want to try maybe peel back. There, maybe, just to be safe. That's pretty good. Yeah. So yeah, we're just really roughing it up. Cleaning it. That's not good to breathe. For this part, you're going to want to prefer a mask. Shit, that really hurts your hand. Oh. It's very recognizable. No one's going to mistake this for their monitor. So there we are. Very good, very nice. So now we're gonna want to remove the display, the casing, I should say. Good, it's good shit. And, oh, that stinks. Now, make sure that you close your eyes when you do this. Cover your eyes, I should say. And it could really hit you in the eye. And then you come back and, you know, fuck it over. But if you do it like a professional, much like myself, I can really just overall just go well for you. That's why you want to become a professional like me. And you know, if you don't want to do this yourself, you could actually come down to Craig Johnson Repairs at 13. If you want to repair this computer, you can come down to Cray Johnson Repairs. Well, we'll do this actually for you. I got my business card somewhere around here. Nope, no business card. Alright, but we'll do this for you. If you don't want to do this, probably should have mentioned that at the beginning. So now, it's all removed, it's all good. And actually here, here's a bonus part of this. Frame, don't need that. Where's my razor blade? Here we go. You can actually just go with that. Pop that on out. And there you go. Oh shit. Clean that out a little. Oh god, oh I should not have touched my face. Oh, it smells like metal. Show the camera here. Big little Apple logo. Metal. So that's pretty cool. Get that out of that. So yeah. You're gonna want to keep that on the side for keeping. So now you're gonna want to toss the frame aside. Actually, you can always maybe it's a frame. You can dispose of all this. That's just fine. Stuff. Tape ass shit. Got a screwdriver around here. That's frosty. Whatever. Electrical wire shit. That. Here we go. Now it's fun. Now we're good. I almost forgot. Removing the circuitry. Wow, how could I forget? Here we got these little circuit panels, and we're gonna want to carefully remove both of them. can see here. These are very interesting. Why is it on? See here, circuitry is very interesting. Got some resistors and transistors. These funky little fuckers. What are you doing? Oh, this is an LED. So this is an LED light. Very interesting. I wonder if we can remove this little guy. Better luck. Oh, so you see there's a screw here that you can just... Actually, do we have a screwdriver? We do have a screwdriver. So yeah, we can just screwdriver around that. Just screw around that. Screw it around. We're not screwing around. This is professional work. You can drop your monitor off at my work area, Craig Johnson Repairs. You can drop your kid off, your wife off. Well, we're not going to take care of them. If you drop your kid off, obviously we're going to say get the fuck out. And they'll go to the streets. But you can still drop them off. They'll be there like for 2 minutes after you leave. Of course, we're gonna rob your kid. We'll put up a knife to your kid and be like, give us your fucking money. But you can still drop them off. Oh, you cheeky bitch. Don't just give me the panel. You see these wires here? They really don't want to come out, Come on out, come on out! We'll get them later, You can easily do the same. It's actually 90% of our business. If you didn't know, if you want to actually work for us, that's one of the criteria. Holding up a kid at gunpoint or knife point, asking for all their belongings. Or we, threaten a kid. We'll fucking kill your family! We'll fucking kill your parents! If you don't fucking get your mom's credit card. So that's some of the stuff there. That you'll need to be able to do. Not everyone has that skill set. I'm gonna be honest. Not everyone has that skill set. But, the ones that do work for us, very professional. Did I break this? Am I breaking this? Shit, I think I damaged this. No shit. No shit, man. They watching me outside? No, we're good. Oh shit, did I get a text? Oh, yeah. Now we're really making some progress here. Really making some progress. This is just like your everyday stuff here. Your everyday computer repair, Whether it's software, if there's a software problem with your computer, this would fix it too. There it is. Pretty feel nice. Wow, that's greasy. I gotta wash my hands. But that's good. That's exactly what you want. basically it. That's the main problem with these monitors. Getting that, oh, I'm bleeding. Now, it's actually the easy part is getting the frame back on. We're good. Get rid of any excess parts, but you know what to do. You just plop it in the trash can. This stuff isn't really needed. You should wear gloves. Is a recommendation of mine. You don't have to, of course, just like the tape thing, but it's a smart idea. Wear gloves. If you're a pussy, get your hands into that all those sharp objects. Yeah, don't be a pussy. So as you can see here, the monitor is definitely an upgrade. Remember those scratches that were made? Yep, all gone. Told you were to be permanent. Now you got a nice, slick display. It feels good to touch. Look at that frost. That wipes right away. Some scratches I'm making. They go away in like an hour. Very nice. Looks good. Works good. Overall, just good. We can attach this better, but actually, just moving it up like this fully attaches it. Fully, sturdily attached. It is like a party monitor. Stand up against the will of power. Finishing touches. You want to insert your IP RAM quantum processor into there. Now you have an IP address. So this has been Gray Johnson's GCC compiler repair tutorial. This has been Gray Johnson. I'm dying in the inside of hair cancer.
It was early morning yesterday. I was up before the dawn, and I really have enjoyed my stay, but I must be moving on. Like a king without a castle, like a queen without a throne, I'm an early morning lover, and I must be moving on. Now I believe in what you say is the undisputed truth, but I have to have things my own way to keep me in my youth. Like a ship without an anchor, some you just can't tell. And some they will and some they won't. And some it's just as well.